Wahala just they follow me everywhere. My neighbor go call police. This Igbo gear will be next to this door. That guy and that guy is very stubborn. They go just borrow the police. Now I just can be about witness. She need to get quickly or John. I'm not die or mommy here and Hannah no go. Fisi kwani or guy fisi. Fisi my boss or guy fisi. Fisi kwen do or guy fisi. Let me go in a bamboo. That is also the reason why I'm here. Hanon, they are downstairs. And the police in why. My holding Jakarta police in why it's digging up there. Sometimes in Nanya Muta animal didn't wish. Call police in okay gauge them if at all. No way anything that has to do with the police possible. Police in why jidegi, yeah. Police in why jidegi. If we are Ghana no Buddha. Well, police in jidegi, they can always consider you, and you know, as far as the Jehovah me go see Hana you Garadima. So why you they'll consider, even though they die, they'll consider you. I just want to talk about this native doctor from Enugu that I've been seeing everywhere on my social media space. The thing is that this life is not going to waste much time, just few minutes life. I just want to do a few minutes life, you know. The thing is that a lot of people are kind of reacting and talking about this native doctor stuff, especially the supporters of all this native doctor, all this in the let's go back to our roots. The truth of the whole thing is that we have a lot of this type of native doctor in our society today. You see this type of native doctor, like nebu madika nebu oko, during the madiri innocent souls. Na agwo okite Igbo na ndi utie. We have a lot of them in Igbo land today. Oh, ni konye nke ejugo. Amalachi Oha Ekelem, I greet you. Oh, ni konye nke ejugo ka aka jiwe kpade. But there are still people like him. Your favorite native doctors. You people na fan native doctor they too have obalatule go this afar some of you young people na day to her. And actually nchonchego who cost money, ritual money. You know, we started, I could remember when we started doing all this social media stuff. We started by going against all these native doctors that are messing up with our youth. All these ones, let me hear Okite, go back to your root, came this one. There are a lot of them. Then I think this should be 2021 to 2022, if I'm not mistaken. A lot of them trying to lead our young people into different type of rituals. These guys here say there is no effect, there is no side effect. Oh, achoporo gaja, waporo gaja, no porozo, chonde mon nagena nka this one, that one. Ura kojucha unisi. Hajena azoro jobo. I spent 15 years in industry. Afwa manya anwa monte. That's why I always tell people that Forget all these native doctors na asị na aga eme nke onye nke asị gị na onwe ha any ihe ọjọọ dị na ihe just normal ọgwụ ihe a ịchụ awele ihe a ime foul. Some of you they will never tell you what they are doing for you. They will never tell you what they are doing for you. They will never tell you the secret aspect of that thing. Sometimes people around you are now moving. You know, sometimes all those things will affect you in the near future. You could imagine that a native doctor, they gave awards. I've been seeing a lot of videos. The one reason why I don't want to put so much energy in things like this anymore, or to speak about what is going on in the society, on social media, especially all these stories like this, is because we did it then. And when we spoke about this whole thing, trying to correct all this whole thing, a lot of people were against us. A lot of people rubbished us. In fact, we started calling people attention to all these things when all these people started it. You see all these penguin native doctors. We started kicking against it when all of them were kind of coming on social media to preach, to tell you, that is the reason why I always say that the number one people, like the main people that cause the insecurity, as far as Southeast is concerned, is the native doctor. I said it with my full chest. That was when K Cook, a native doctor, they know that non atom narose. Uruke chom ne bufasi obra na ne waste yari okoko ye buka and the biajirieni. You know, they kept warning me, a lot of us then. Before you know it, hate you everywhere. Only can join a native doctor. Within a month, move you everywhere. Or what you see gold everywhere. Name a penguin. Manigafu, some people bondi like iho de na ma haji maybe mborogu or other also name their own thing. You will see them living average life. When you go to the village, you will see some of those old elderly men that are still doing the native doctor stuff. You will also see them living average. But when you come to Anambra State, you come to Enugu State, you will see a small boy that joined native doctor yesterday. Spending money, throwing money, buying cars, building hotels, like Imakwego Ejaro, a standard hotel. Imakwego Ejaro, a standard hotel. But most of these native doctors, they have different hotel, cars, everything. So, you know, Igbo ka na agwo, Balatule ka na agwo, this one, that one. Some of them are into all sort of illegal. For them, how person man can specialize in it. Now people never na buy anyhow. Just call it insecurity in general. It to come a candidate doctor there. All of them won't go innocent. There is no innocent native doctor or anyone you will count as a good native doctor as far as I'm concerned. Ndị niile preach here on social media, none of them were sent. It's just that no, only iko ya na-ejubeho. Or deka na yamadiche. Those people who got Ekperima award, they gave him award. Mam de shebe has a buru award near. No name of man and society. Aburu nka jimen came a buru award near na query. One of the video I came across earlier today, I think this afternoon. If you tell those people before they present that award that this person, okay, let me even leave those people that gave the man award. Some of these people supporting them, or some of these people supporting that particular guy, that particular native doctor. If there is a way anybody comes out then to say that, this man is an evil man, oh, he's into this, nobody will believe them, or they will believe the person. Nobody would ever believe, especially all those his supporters, all these small boys now acquiring that from native doctor to another, saying that Jesus Christ, this one, that one. If there is anybody that drag that man, then that he's doing this kind of thing, nobody will believe. I say traditional, this one, that one. Now none of them are even saying anything. Some are romancing the West. Romancing it. You know, somebody said that ever since Governor Soludo took Akwa, when you say Jesus and the, what's the name of that man? AK Heat, that there is a bit improvement in Anambra State regarding this insecurity of a thing. I'm not in Anambra. The person might be right. But judging with social media space, to judge with social media space, I think that there is a big difference from all this noise, all this money, convincing people, preaching for people to go back to Igbo, to idol worship and other things. For you to see that these people are confused. When you even talk about this whole thing, you see a young boy saying that, let's go back to tradition, let's go back to our root, let's go back to this, let's go back to that. The same person will tell you that no, root is not by doing ritual or doing this and doing that and doing that. But still them will be trooping in to patronize those native doctors. I say ge wota anu ka egbufuru na nna gochi e wota anu. I say okay na ga arụkwa go kite ya ga-eji mo kite 2 million naira. A ga-ejikwe nke a medicine, a ga-ejikwe nke a medawo. Agụsịsịara gị n'ihe ejikwe mo kite wo mgbọrọgwụ nke iwere egonye egbuchara idi oke ite eruo n'abalị eje tọrọ innocent gear bee ya onu were ọbara ya gbari gị n'oke ite ị ga na-asụ ị na-eri ego ọbara fidie na tonda ya ha agba gị in future. All those people be here going if in a kutoku ihe ya buru on social media ha na akpari gị sing no church ji buru nka nka ji menke emeho. But I think there is nothing like Igbo ogwu. Onwe dị ka Igbo ogwu, onwe dị ka rituals or all those things. I guess what they will be saying now. I remember then when I was staying as about Delta State, doing a Nollywood movie, and I could when I get me below, came me this one, came me that one. And I call a by kumkum, KJ, ebute, ebuonkita, euro brankita, G saga or something like saga, Kian for Onegesi or brankita saga, with all that things, he blew on a film. How could carry? It's not book, I'm chilling when you have job. I need the homimo that kind of blow. Igbo is real. But you see these people defending rubbish, saying onwe he dika nka, onwe he dika ijuju, onwe he dika ogwego, onwe he dika nka, onwe ogwa na agwa na eji nka eme nka di eme nka. Very sad. A lot of people are this year desperate. Now because have me here go out now avoid go anyhow. Feed you no no just so eje ewote oji na kai ka by this eme nka chuaja ego anabia. No, the more you look, the less you see. Oh yeah, me some of these native doctors, some of them which are native doctors, that is the reason why I got for her. Some of them J watcha feed your that's me. When you know it, small boy anyhow. I see now a month agaquan work with Hofuro, 3 months agaquan work with Hofuro, almost 1 year work with Hofuro. You know? Or my na onye nke ogbakuru amaghị ife ha na no nwe ndị dibia nke wu like bu ekwensu do onwe ha wu ndị egbu arụ ọbara na onwe ha asị gị no atụrụ ka eji achụrụ gị aja no ebili no nka eme anọ isi mmadụ ọbara mmadụ ka eji agwọrọ gị ọgwụ. Then, the ogu buru ọbara mmadụ rụba ọrụ. At some point, ogu dị tasty, ọchọ ọbara onye ọzọ ga-ewetere ya. Before you know it, ofu onye efu n'akụkụ gị. I know of a friend in Lagos. I don't want to go direct to these things I want to say now, so that she will not be aware that I'm talking about him. But even if she's aware, I don't give a fuck. What's my business? The guy is into Ihana email like this, Ihana happy, you know. And up at Aparonia, yeah. Bought cars, land, everything. But the strange thing that happened on that young guy's families, within 1 year, the mom died. Before you know it, the dad died. Before you know it, another person died in their family. Like, with other things that happen, I don't want to mention it so that it wouldn't look as if I'm talking about him, even though I don't give a fuck. You know? Then, the more those people, I can't remember, I didn't remember that I'm on life. The more these people are buying, the more things are going. But currently, that particular guy is useless. All the land sold, all the cars sold, like nothing to write home about. Oh yeah, man, every time we carry one bottle, with water, with whatever inside. See no show. If you have a zuzuare, see no nana ruchi no nime bottle. Emecha na edo we are now worship here. E will touch every morning. Ndi eke, ndi muna haso bia ndi enu ndi ana. Ndị okporo ụzọ, ndị ọgbanje, ndị ahụmnwa eke, ahụmnwa nka. A young boy. I will just be looking at him. Last year. I'm very sure that in some years to come, a lot of young people a lot of people are going crazy in some years to come. So what am I trying to say? I don't want this video to be long. Yeah, I need to treat my neighbor. We ka kwataro ama mo mego 3 months eba sef, but the one bata buru problem bata. Hello, I see you. How you doing? Are you feeling sleepy? Oluchukwu, I'm very tired. Yeah, that's why my face is like that. I'm not feeling sleepy, but I'm tired. But I feel like to talk. I feel like to talk. You know, you guys are the people I talk to. I stay alone, so sometimes I used to be bored, you know. Yeah, I stay alone, and it's not as if I can't stay with someone, but or more. I like staying alone. So I'm tired, and I still want to talk with you guys, and also I want to do open heaven as well, because it's not been long I came back, and I'm feeling sleepy. I still want to go out. So I want to use this life to buy time to do open heaven. Because once I go inside and lie on bed, Otilo, I will work in 1 hour or 2 hours time. Because I had a change of shift at work. That's why when we change of shift. So, but that is by the way. But atutu poyoyo. Nke beba sina na live video mnenye asobu chekporo landlord police na mail boss maybe since landlord die on a make up banje fish here. Okay, I'm gonna do it, don't worry, don't in a corner book microwave maybe that fish here change here. I almost 9 or yeah so I'm gonna call the police. Mama die go 911. Deba. This boy issue. I'm calling the police right away. Bam, Halandigo. But they change like what police here about how they bias can buy. Whether Morgan Kaporo, Haga Punis you. Obodo go keep them, signal go keep them, Obodo J. Paraboki, signal keep them. You know, so we don't go call police or the man. Can't have the police no channel. Say, you name me. Of most Russian, yeah, you know, that gay safe. That gay no name misbehave. When did they put this? See, I'm a go born. I bet you can be a barrier with this. See, it's been long. So you must say, do say, okay, say, can you come and tell me? Say, I'm bow. Moi. So they gave you your job. Give that not jump away. So they have been one holding me downstairs, like trying to. Though the police lady me chapa bill, the police is with a bad drum. Say okay, yeah, this is how it is. This is how it is because the landlord na sipoyase, and the landlord na on not daddy on a sipoyase. Also, we see change here has since. Or change here, and some of these homeless people, anyway, sometimes I got that main boss. He will hear me an email, has to hear me an email. You know, so a man more he send the of. So the landlord now says he has no office that thing since. Meanwhile, at that thing take the hacker, a man more last week said I can fix it there. So the girl actually come back here to say, nah, Otegonaka, the thing, no, like that. See, I'm home. Yeah, I don't Jake Power that one. They are not they behave on a better. You're a nice person. You're a nice person. You can come and talk to me. How the same way they snog upon police? The first day of battle here, I don't even know why I leave what I'm saying and saying that. But that guy can be annoying. The first day of battle ever, message on live video. Now very early in the morning, this girl I call him. If you let one, go a letter. Say na stop roria. This one Jimmy that repeat here also. Na I get check out. Oga forum police. Ya bam nishi. Poam. Mwa na police. G almost 3 weeks abi 1 month. All the human rights, everything standard human rights rated now in this country. My own right. They are possible now. Change good there. Say go and call police now. I'm to go. I should stop by social media activities because of who are you? Go and boss here. The same way all come fees chari any na use because both my wife a lot of things. They don't come back. I'm call be a poor. A man no better of battle room ya fish chari everything. Go nation is everything. Change go there that day safe. You know, say if you na query that day. Man, he will prove hanya. I feel the since that day. Then after that day, na po we hear influence dia. Boy, I say boy, I say no we hear send dia dinner ya je budia. Can di ha gari ndi homeless gari budia. So after next 2 days, Obakwaka will tell me that apology letter. That girl be quiz. Good letter, what you call them, good letter. See, I wish and I don't have any issue with it. It's just that no, see, I go look at sometimes I see baby, they watch a film, but I'm no problem that girl. The guy call a child, but man, I'm also a need the home problem here. You know, so then say apologies, okay, so no problem. We good, yeah, we good. So I call back. Rush batana. Please. Look what you did now, no problem. If you have tina, oku ije for not the police. Mwanka, but you don't come out. Also, the police don't have okay. How oga kita oga no get efficient. Who go maybe? See who take a call maybe. Simple, straight. Or see, I told you. That. But that is by the way. Let me kill that door before for people that enjoy open heaven. What am I trying to say? Yeah, those police then call now the best. Without police before people, if not so. Yeah, of course. Me, I'm kind of, you know, like how things work here. And it's normal. Police here behind set to the case straight up. And how they had the bias, how they had, and now how they may he were a cause. So, some people that them hand police had not told you. Myself, I'm not going to call the police safe. If you do small thing, I'm going to call the police. Die, and I want straight. Eh? Come on, give me a call on. Police will go, hey, teach you go so I ain't trying to push you my police. It's like that, I'm going to call the police for you. Die, and I want this and the Haaland here. And they could so, but that is by the way. All police in the bay we hear me or they can normally all the police go all the police to control about an issue, build do things without being biased and anything. You know. So that is like the but that girl had to put you or that no afraid. So so what am I trying to say? I'm going to be rounding up now for people that want to do open heaven. Can't you go to my YouTube? They started on live here. A lot of people like this native doctor are still in Igbo land today, brokering marries. I'm doing great. I'm doing well. We still have a lot of native doctors like this in our society today, in Igbo land especially. still doing their thing. Na-egbufusi ndị mmadụ. You know? Na-waste people. Some of them are the HGA rituals. Some of them will in a repass ahụ mmadụ ka ha specialize. Nwa dibia ọ na-agwọ ọgwụ within 1 year ruo hotel rugisi everywhere ọ na-agwọ ka onye ọgwọ gburu onwe ya n'ọgwụ. Nwa dibia ọ na-agwọ ọgwụ mentamimo jiri within months and meanwhile I got your call as you promised. Bia Doris, I will call you now. Don't worry, I will call you. I will call you. I will call you. Man, I'm always making calls. My call on that name every day. But I will call you, don't worry. I will call you. We still have a lot of native doctors like this. So let me join you, Pool Heaven. I think I will redo this program about all these native doctors. You know, I will redo the program. I want to say a lot of things. You know. So see you guys. Have a nice night rest. Hello, I will chat you. Yeah, there are many. Hello, I will chat you. There is on WhatsApp. I want to WhatsApp number. I only use WhatsApp number. Maybe on Facebook. I send you WhatsApp. All my man came from the one. You know. I always say you like my watch. I come and take now. You know, say this watch now. This watch now go pay your bride price, Oluchi. Watch in a fear. I have bride price go. May he see. Every. But let me stop here. Yeah, Brooklyn. Catch you guys later. Okay.